I'm going to show you how to hook up two computers to a DVI monitor with a KVM switch. First thing, you will need this KVM switch. See, they do the cable management. One for one computer and another one for another computer. It has HDMI, USB. Okay, let's connect one of them. One of the HDMI to one computer. And then you will need one set of this cable. See, they do the cable management. Take one set. Plug in the HDMI cable on one computer and the USB and the headphone jack. For other one, same thing for another computer. Or if you want to connect your external speaker, you can through the KVM switch. Connect it to the correct area. So this is to switch to computers. Make sure you connect your keyboard and mouse to the KVM switch. Like this. And the keyboard. Like this. And then you turn on your monitor to switch to another computer. You click the switch that comes with the KVM. So this is how you hook up two computers to a DVI monitor with a KVM switch. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.